Hi, good day. I'm creating this video to share you the progress for the task that you have given me last night. So, I've encountered some issues while I'm creating the actual scenario in Integromat. So I'll share that as well and the reason why I'm getting an error, and also maybe what I have learned so far. So those are the things that I'm going to share. So when I try this multiple times, I'm getting a lot of errors. So I'm just new to this tool, so it's fine, I guess. So, but I've learned so much, and I love using this tool actually. So I didn't know this tool that we have, or that this tool exists. So I'm not sure why our company is not utilizing this kind of tool. But yeah. Uh, Anyway, so I've created an account with Doc Parser and Trello last night. Then early this morning when I woke up, so I tried to integrate Doc Parser and Trello and Gmail in Integromat. So I'm Gmail. I don't have issues. Doc Parser is fine. So I've encountered a problem with Trello. The reason why I have a router here is for the Trello to create a card with a title using the email subject and then the card description. Then the attachment should be passed on to that card that I'm going to create. But for some reason, so it says that the integration was successful with Trello, but I'll show you what I'm trying to say here. So it should create a card. So, but when you add the Trello connection, so I have the key here already saved, and I think it's remembering it already. Continue. So I'm gonna get this kind of error. So invalid signature. I'm not sure what is that. So maybe you encountered it already. You can share what that what's that error. So I've tried to search it, but the guide is not giving me the answer. So yeah, that's the reason why it's not included in this particular scenario in Integromat. So I'll just delete this and then show you the other scenario that I've created. So just exclude that Trello. But I know the Trello where you can add card in here, and then I like it's a project management tool. So if, let's say for example, I'm done with specific tasks on that project, so I can put that in a work in progress, and then let's say for example I need to submit it for your review. So I just need to drag it here for approval and then share it to you, so that you can put your feedback, and then I'll just mark it complete if that is approved already. So that's how I understand the Trello. So it's a very good tool as well. So yeah, that's the learning that I got from there. Okay, so running this scenario, so I already created an email here, so made ready for this video. So oh, I have this subject to be captured by this email. So that's the watch email that I've created. Subject. So let's see if that's gonna be a successful one. So I received that email already. So the Integromat should, or the Gmail integration with Integromat should already have that email information when I'm the task will be for the email to check the incoming email if that has the subject that I've specified in this application, and if that has an attachment as well. So let's run it. So let's see if that's gonna work. So after capturing the email, so it should forward to the doc parser, and then the doc parser will do the parsing, and then it will be captured and import to the Google Sheets. So I think it's successfully completed. So let's check as well if we have a new. Oh, there you go. So there's a new Google Sheets or spreadsheet created for us. So and then yeah, check the timing there. So that's the newly created spreadsheet for us. So yeah, that's a good. Um, this is a good tool. Doc parser and then the Trello combining or collaborating with each other. So I think this is a very good tool to use for automation. So it's gonna address all the repetitive tasks that you have in your company. So yeah, it's doing great. It's doing the job that we are expecting. So yeah, I think that's also I've learned what I need to learn. So I think I'm gonna have a lot of questions along the way. But I think I need to do a lot of research so that I can apply it to any applicable scenario within your company. So let's see. Thank you.